city's heart, where dreams ignite. Neon lights flicker like a distant light. I scribble on walls, in the shadows I hide. Hopeful strokes, trying to find my pride. Sketches on pavement where nobody sees. Art that whispers in the silent breeze. Concrete jungles where the noise never ends, yet my heart beats in the chaos unfriends. Through the cracks of concrete, I reach for stars, painting visions where the night is fine. A canvas of dreams on the city's skin, each stroke a fight for my own design. City dreams so big and bold, in the rush I hold on to gold. Neon lights guiding me through the night. City dreams never let go of sight. When the world feels cold, then I'm lost in thought. I'd pick up my brush and start to plot. Voices say I can't, but I won't give in. City dreams, my only silver lining. Through the cracks of concrete, I reach for stars, painting visions where the night is far. A canvas of dreams on the city skin, each stroke a fight for my own design. City dreams, so bright and true. In the rush I chase the view. Neon lights guiding me through the night.